Let's take another example. So here is the silicon atom whose atomic number is 14, which means that silicon has 14 electrons. So in the first energy level, we will place 2 electrons only. In the second one, we will place 8, and this is a total of 10 electrons. The remaining 4 electrons then will be placed in the third energy level. Let's write the electronic structure of silicon. So we will start with the innermost energy level, which has 2 electrons. Then we will move to the second one, which has 8 electrons, and the third one will have 4 electrons. And don't forget to separate the numbers with commas. You should know how to draw electron diagrams and how to write electronic structures for the first 20 elements in the periodic table. So let's take an example. You are given the atomic number of an element which is equal to 10. So you will have to use the periodic table to identify this element. And because elements in the periodic table are arranged in increasing atomic number, then you will start counting and you will find that the element which has an atomic number of 10 is neon. So neon has 10 protons and 10 electrons. Let's draw the electron diagram of neon. So we will place in the first energy level 2 electrons, and the remaining 8 electrons will be placed in the second energy level. And as you can see, neon has full energy levels. The electronic structure of neon is as follows: 2, 8. 2 is the number of electrons in the innermost shell, while 8 is the number of electrons in the outermost shell.